bay doors are clear.
All right, secure the yellow zone now.
Watch the forklift on your left.
Can you see the strength? Molecular perfection. Sorting the best.
The argon-oxygen secret. Injecting argon and oxygen into the molten steel reduces carbon to 0.03%, ensuring it won't corrode.
How do you cut red-hot steel? With high-precision gas torches. Next, the hot rolling.
How much does one roll weigh? As much as 10 Cybertrucks.
Hook. Does a steel truck sound like a bell? Payoff. Not with these aerospace dampers. Next, the brushed finish.
It's not a mirror finish. This specialized non-directional texture is key to the Cybertruck aesthetic and ensures easy maintenance.
Why is it not dried with air? The infrared panel removes water from the inside out, preparing it for the armor glass.
The armor glass is much stronger and soundproof than ordinary glass, built to withstand extreme impact.
Rear assembly check complete.
Total motorized function is within spec.
Exterior is 100%. Why use 3 motors?
It's the only way to reach 60 in 2.6 seconds.
These cables are orange so that anyone can understand they carry 800 volts of electricity.
Does the steering only work with wires?
Yes, it is completely digital steer-by-wire.
Cybertruck's adaptive air suspension is being installed. This will allow the truck to lift, providing a full 12 inches of ground clearance.
Is the leather real?
No, it is 1000% vegan and eco-friendly.
Is it a car or a concert hall? 15 speakers mean you are inside the music.
Inspection complete. The infrared coating is performing as expected.
Confirmed. The glass is flawless.
All clear on the battery shield.
Confirmed. Okay signal.
We finally did it! Look at it go! This is amazing. Great job, everyone.
So your phone or this card is now the key. Just tap it right here.
That is incredible. I can't believe it's finally here.
Automated vault access reveals the full 6.4-foot bed, combining high-tech utility with everyday convenience.
Will it be able to tow this much weight? The torque from 3 motors will easily overcome any hill. The Torque Beast.
How beautiful is the future? The future seen through the Cybertruck is always beautiful.
Check this out, it retracts completely in under 10 seconds.
The satin finish on this white one is incredible.
Wow, that's really fast.
Wow, look at that! We made it just in time for the big race.
I've got the trauma bag. Set up the monitor.
Vitals are unstable. We need transport immediately.
The 30X cold-rolled stainless steel exoskeleton remains perfectly intact, demonstrating unmatched corrosion resistance even to harsh sea salt.
It is possible to get about 15 to 20 miles of range daily from these solar panels. High-efficiency monocrystalline cells. Look at the lines on that. It's incredible engineering.